Alright, so today we'll see image repairing in Photoshop by using different tools. So I have different images here and we will see how we can repair them by using different tools. Alright, so let's check this picture. First of all, we will use one technique how I can remove this bird from the background professionally, right? Or if you have this one image and I want to remove these birds and I want it the background remains same. First of all, we will use first technique which is very easy and suitable for everyone, right? And you will like it also. First of all, you have to make selection around that pixels which you want to filled with the background. I can say it's a content aware technology. For example, what I will do, I will make a, you can use any selection tool, okay, you can use this selection tool, alright, like this, or it depends on the object, you can use any this selection tool as well. Look, I have made this selection tool like this. Now what I want to do, I want to make this bird disappear and I want the background should be filled so it doesn't look like I did something. So very easy method, you will do right click and choose fill option. And in fill, before we have studied, we can fill the selection by color, foreground, background color and all this. But this time we will use content aware fill. What does it content aware fill mean? It will take pixels from the surrounding of the selection and it will fill it. Alright? Just click OK and you will see the magic. Look. Alright? So the selection has been filled and the bird has been disappeared. For example, same. So any selection tool, you can select this one again, then right click, you can go edit menu and here also fill command. Shift F5 is shortcut key. Click here and content aware fill and just make sure it's done and click OK. Now you will see it's done. Alright. Control D for deselect. Same in other pixels you have. Okay. So I want to disappear this one, for example, then you have to make a selection around. So this time I will select this one object selection tool and I will select the object like this so that whole object will be selected. Then right click fill and content aware fill. Look, but this time it didn't work, right? Because it didn't find enough pixel in the surroundings. So, or what I will do it again, Control Z. So it's not sure you will get 100% accurate result with this tool because it's an automatic tool. You don't have control in it. It's using artificial intelligence technology, AI. Alright, okay, let's make a bigger selection. I will use this rectangular. Let's see. Alright, so I will do it like this and right click and choose fill. And this time content aware fill. Let's see how it will work. Yeah, it's worked little bit. Little bit difference we have here, background has not been mixed properly, but we will do it manually we can do. But now you can see the difference, we have to make it bigger selection. But it's very easy. Same here you can apply also, I have this pixel as well. Same you want to fill this one, so you can select it manually like this and just right click then fill and you can choose this one, content aware fill and okay, look. And then how to get rid of this, go to selection and deselect now this, but here you will see it's not professionally done. So we have another, we can't depend on only this tool, we have many tools also, but where we can use where the accuracy doesn't matter enough like this, and if you will want to remove this birds you can use this one. Alright, so here there is not much accuracy you want and it looks real. Alright, so here you can use, even you can make disappear this sun as well, moon. So right click and fill and look, and with only one command you can do it. Look how professionally it's done. Alright, so you can remove the things like this with the command. So I will revert it, go to file and revert. Now you can see what changes we have done. Look, alright, so I have reverted. So this tool, this is the easiest technique, okay, you can do. But as I told you, it doesn't work professionally. So we have also manual tool. Right? If you want control, you can do manually also. Okay, we'll see what tools we have. Go to here. The first tool we have here, which is called spot healing brush tool. It also work on AI technology, artificial intelligence, all right, like content aware fill. So you need to take this one, all right, then just hover over or just click and drag. Look, it will use artificial intelligence technology and it will fill. So some users also using this one, all right, like this, all right. So if you are in hurry, you can use this technology as well, all right. But here I want to increase the brush size. If you want to just click here, you can increase brush size from here like this. Now just click and drag like this. Now you will see the magic. All right. So you can use this healing brush to look how professional is doing. Look, right, and nobody can catch you as well, like you have did some editing in this. Look. All right. So you can use this tool. You can choose the brush size from here, and you can choose also the hardness of the brush from here. All right. So this one you have. This tool is also automatic, spot healing brush tool, automatic tool. But next we have a healing brush tool. This is called regular healing brush tool, right? Regular healing brush tool, when you click here, all right, when you click, so it will give you an error. It says alt click to define a source point to be used to repair the image. In this case, you have a control on repairing. So you can copy the pixels which you want to paste on a place. How? For example, I will just revert it. And for example, just in this picture, all right. So what I want to remove this one, all right. This leaves I want to remove, but I need a control on the specific pixels. So you can use shortcut key brackets on the keyboard to increase brush size and decrease. Now you have to press alt key. When you press alt key and click, it will copy that pixels. Now you can just move it. Look, all right. When you are moving and alt click again, so you can just move like this, okay. When you click here, you see it's copying the pixels, the plus sign where is, look, and it will. So you have to change again and again. Click again and just take the nearest pixels like this, and again, all right. So regular healing brush tool you can use also. So it should look like you have done something. All right, but here we have some mixing problem also. We have another tool to fix it, because you cannot rely only one tool. You can use another tools as well. All right, for example, here what I want to do in this pixels, so it's copy the same from other. Alt click and just click like this. Alt click to copy the nearest pixel, and you can click, all right, like this. And here also alt click to copy like this, right. Now what I want to do, I want to revert it, okay. If you want to revert, so go to file and revert, so it will be back, okay, it will be back, okay. Okay, so this one you can use this tool as well, all right, healing brush tool. Next tool we have patch tool, all right. Patch tool means you can define the area, you can select which area, and in this you have also better control to mix the background. For example, you have select this one like this, all right. So you want to repair these pixels like this, and now you can select the area from which area you want to replace with. Look. So now wherever you will drag this, look, that selection will be replaced with this like this. Okay, Control D for deselect. Again you can select, then again you can move. Right. Now if we will move here on pixels, all right, and mostly people use this. So I want to replace this area and just drag it with the nearest one. Look, it copies the same texture. This one is better than the healing brush tool because it's copying the same texture. So most like visible things we remove from here like this, like this, right? So if you have enough area to define with, for example, I will select this one like this. So patch tool you can use also like this. In this patch tool also you can define the area to be replaced with, right? For example, here you want to replace like this, select like this, and move from which area you want to replace. Look, and Control D, and now it's look. And same here. So this one I want to replace with, just select like this, and now just click and drag here, and now you will see it's replaced. Right, and again click here and just like this. Now you have more control. Right, so I'm doing on many practical, all right, many pictures I'm doing like this. So same here, you can select this one and you can move it, all right, like this. Then control, I will do revert, and you will see how many changes we have done. All right, so that's how you can use patch tool. Next tool we have content aware move tool. This tool is amazing tool. You can move pixels from one place to another place, and you can fill its gap. For example, I want to move that moon from here to here, and I want its gap should be filled as well. What I will do, I will select this one like this. I want to move that moon here, look. And I want that gap should be filled also. Like click here and look. The sun has been moved. Now you can use other tools to fix this problem. Same here, you want to move that bird, click here, and this bird will be moved here, and click OK. All right, like this. So this is called content aware move tool. Like you are moving the pixels and you are filling its gap left behind. All right, so this one you can use also. Next tool we have, which is called the red eye spot tool. Is very easy. If there is red eye tool, if there is any red spot in your eye, just drag it, it will remove that red color from your eye. That's it. When you are taking picture from the camera, if there is a red spot, you can just drag and it will remove. Next, the main tool of image repairing is clone tool, which I like a lot, and I use this tool a lot. Clone stem tool, we have control how much opacity we want to copy. Same pixels with same opacity you can copy, and you can control also opacity of the pixels. For example, here I have, okay, if you will take this stem tool from here, all right, and you can control the size from here, the size and hardness, all right, and for example, size I will click and alt click to copy. For example, I will alt click to copy. Look, wherever you want to paste, just paste it, so it will copy the same pixel. Look, you can increase or decrease opacity. Let's move here. I use this tool for face finishing a lot. So bracket tool and alt click to copy. Now if you use with the same opacity, look at the opacity of the brush is 100%. So it will paste 100% pixels. Look, so it will not match. Look, all right. Actually, it's pasting 100% of the texture, because every skin has a different pixels on every point. So what do you have to do? In this case, we have to reduce opacity from here. I use 20% opacity of brush tool. Now it will not fill the same texture, like, so it will just paste the less opacity. Like you have to do click again and again. Look, all right, like this, like this. So to make it like more like finishing, like smooth, like you can just click and drag like this as well. I'm pressing alt again and again with the less opacity, and you can just look, make his skin like very smooth. Look, all right. So you have to zoom and you have to more control and like this. So you can just control. Look, this area and this area, right? If you revert it, you will see like this. All right. For example, maybe you will here, if I will revert it, okay, revert. So maybe you want to copy this bird here as well. So take stem tool and alt click. Maybe now you will understand the opacity. Alt click, and now if you click here, the opacity is 20%. And you click, look, 20% will be pasted. All right. If you have 100% opacity, so it will copy 100% pixel like this. Look, so you can click here. And you can click here also, but it will move. So alt click to copy again like this. So alt click to copy these pixels like this. All right. Look. So I'm copying. Look. All right. So you can use this also clone stem tool. I like this tool and I use this tool a lot to copying pixels with opacity. All right. So I have used many images in front of you. I have removed. All right. Like many things. So I have done with all images. All right. So what you will do now, just download any picture, remove pimples, make face like clear, and also remove some objects, duplicate some objects, okay, use content aware like this. This is also the third most important feature of Photoshop, image repairing. First is removal of background, image repairing, Photoshop, photo manipulation, and color adjustment. This is called image repairing. All right, do it practical.